Yo, baby, you ready to let the games begin?
Oh, baby.
Cause I'm ready. On your mark, get set, here we go. Check it.
Hey beauty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. So today's video, I'm just going over my updated weight loss plan. So I hope you all enjoy. Okay y'all, so today is May 31st. I am going out of town June 8th to the 14th. So I have gained a little bit of weight since I've been out of town. Like I usually diet before I go out of town. Yeah, when I went to Myrtle Beach, I know I overdid it. Like, I just know I overdid it. So I knew I was going to come back a little heavier. Plus, when I got back, I didn't detox or anything like that. So, again, I got like a week to lose this weight. So I just want to see if I can lose this. So I'm just going to record it and tell y'all, let y'all know if I can lose it. So all right, so I'm 171, so I gained about 6 pounds, something like that. And I want to be on June 7th or June 8th. I would like to be like 160. I would want to be 160, but I'll take like 162, 163. So I want to lose about 7 or 8 pounds in a week, so like a pound a day. I can't come on camera because my hair is a mess and I'm just tired today. So I'm just gonna talk to the camera this way. So my new, I'd rather turn y'all around. Let me put a hat on. Okay, so this is me looking so rough, but it is what it is. I had a long day today. So I want to lose about 6, maybe 7 pounds. My goal is 10 pounds, but I'll be okay at losing 6 or 7 pounds. Okay, so I don't know if I told y'all this, but I have started back on amphetamine pills, and those are the pills that I got from the weight loss center. I had it in a previous vlog when I first started losing weight about a year ago maybe. Yeah, about a year ago. They worked out great for me. I went off of them. Let's see. I started them in maybe March, something like that. And I went down, I was like 186. So I stopped them in July, August. I stopped taking them. And I just maintained my weight. I've been doing good. I haven't been back to 186. Like usually I'll be back to 186 by now, but I'm still maintaining my weight. 166 is the most I've weighed other than today. Today I'm 171, so that's another most I've ever weighed since I lost the weight the first time, which to me is still good. Like usually I would have gained that weight back plus more. I would have went back to 186. Usually I would have went back to 186 and gained some more weight, but again, I've been maintaining it. So now that I'm 171, and again, that's only because I've been doing a lot of traveling. I usually detox my body and lose a couple pounds before I go on vacation. And so next week when I go to Florida, I really don't want to be 170, to be honest. And I don't want to have to think about what I'm eating. So that's another reason why I try to lose weight before I go out of town, because it's like I'm never going to add on more weight to this 171. So I got to lose weight before I go out of town. So I can't eat pretty much what I want. So my updated weight loss strategy is, again, the amphetamine pills, which work for me. They give me energy. It makes me curb my appetite. I don't snack, none of that. So the thing is, when I did the weight loss routine last year, I did it by the book. I would take the pill in the morning before I eat breakfast, and then that would be it. It would curb my appetite the rest of the day. But I found out this way works better with the amphetamine pills for me when I'm trying to lose weight quick. So the thing, what I do is I get up, and I have an eating window. And my eating window is between, I usually wake up between 8 or 9. So my eating window is between 8 or 9 until 4 o'clock. During that time, I eat breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, whatever it is that I eat. I don't want to put a restriction on what I eat. At 4 o'clock, I take the phetamine pill. And when I say I want to put a restriction on what I eat, meaning like, I don't want to count calories. So like if I want a Big Mac, I want a Big Mac. If I want to fry, I want to fry. But I only want to eat between 8 and 4. And the reason why I changed my weight loss, or my weight loss strategy like that, is because I was listening to this doctor on YouTube, and he was talking about fasting, which is what I usually do. And he said that you really can eat anything you want in your window, during your window, your eating window.
Mitochondria via a ketogenic diet, a high-fat ketogenic diet. No question about it. But do we want to do that 24/7? No, because eventually, like you mentioned, you will become insulin resistant to stop the muscles from stealing the calories, and you'll eventually start losing muscle mass, eventually, if you continue 24/7 ketosis for a long time. So you want to cycle in and out of ketosis on a 24-hour basis. And the book shows, okay, here's some tricks. Let's do intermittent fasting, time-restricted eating. And let's stay in ketosis for 15, 16 hours a day.
So what window do you recommend?
So Dr. Matheson from the NIH, from the National Institutes of Aging, that shows probably 6 hours is the best window.
Okay.
6 hours of eating.
18 fasts, 6
18,
eating.
yeah, fast, 6 hours.
Does he have an opinion on number of meals in the 6 hours?
It actually doesn't matter.
But you have to fast for 16 hours. So basically, whatever you eat, your body is going to eat it up within that 16-hour fasting window. So it really don't matter what you eat. That's what he said. A doctor said this. You really don't have to count calories during your eating window because you're going to be fasting. It's going to eat up the fat in your body anyway. So when I heard that, I was like, okay. Now, do I overeat? No. I still eat regular. If I want a salad, I eat a salad. If I want to eat light, I want to eat light. But I don't want to be on a counting calories diet. Now, last year when I lost the weight, I was on a keto diet. Plus, I was taking amphetamine pills, and it worked out for me. I've been able to maintain my weight. Like, again, this is the most weight I've been, 170 since in a year. You know, and again, it's because I'm traveling more and stuff like that. So what I do at 4 o'clock, exactly 4 o'clock, I stop eating and I take my amphetamine pill. Now, my amphetamine pill curbs my appetite for the rest of the night. So from 4 to about, lately I've been getting sleepy around 12 or 1 o'clock. Because again, a amphetamine pill it has caffeine in it. So the later you take it, the more you're going to be woke. Like your body is going to be woke. So for me, I found out if I take it at 4 o'clock, my body starts to crash about 12 or 1, which is okay for me because that's usually the time that I go to bed every night. You know, I'm usually up doing stuff, working on the computer, just doing entrepreneurial stuff that I just need to do. So I don't go to bed early at all. I always go to bed between 12 and 1, and I always wake up between 8 and 9. As long as I get between 7 or 8 hours of sleep, I'm fine. I only drink water. So during my fasting window, I only drink water. I drink lemon water because that's the one I like. Nestle lemon water. I drink that water because I can get more water into my body with that because I like the water. If it's not that, I drink Fiji water because I like Fiji water. And I'm pretty much drinking water the rest of the evening. I don't have an appetite. I'm pretty much working around the house. I'm still unpacking. I'm still working. So I'm busy. So I'm not thinking about food. And I don't eat again until the morning. So we're looking at a longer window than 16 hours, I think. We're looking at, let me see, from 4 to 10. That's 6 hours right there. From 10 to 8. So you know what? That actually is a 16-hour window, because from 10 to 8. So actually I fast for 16 hours. I thought it was more hours than that. So I do a 6, so I eat, I'm on, let me see. I eat from, again, about 9 to 4. So I'm on an 8-hour, I'm on like a 7-hour eating window. And then the rest of the hours I'm fasting. So I'm on like a 7, 16, something like that. I eat for 8 hours, whatever I want, and then I fast for 16 hours, which is what the doctor recommended. It was just for me, I just realized that, dang, I was fasting for 16 hours, but that's what he recommended, and it's been working for me. Like, I've been able to lose what I need to lose before I go on vacation for the last 2 months that I've been out traveling. This time I'm coming from like 170. I usually just be losing like 5 pounds, but now I got to lose a little bit, like 7 or 8 pounds, something like that. So this is the most I've ever have to lose before I go out. But again, I got a week to lose it, because I leave Wednesday. I almost got like a week and a day. I haven't detoxed yet. I've been taking the Keisha Kayor tea. I've been drinking that. Usually during weight loss week, I just detox one time. Unless I mess up and eat something bad during the weekend, then I detox right before I go to out of town. So that's been working for me. Eating window, we're just gonna say 8 to 4. And fasting 16 hours. My Phetamine pill has been helping me. So I'm gonna leave the link to the weight loss clinic I went to. Again, Phetamine pills don't give me any side effects. Only thing is I drink a lot of water with it, so it won't give me a headache or anything like that, because it is caffeine. So I advise you to drink a lot of water with it. Other than that, you might get a headache or something. It don't give me the jitters. Like, I just have energy, which is good, because now I'm moving around doing stuff and I'm not thinking about food. So it works out for me. So I'll leave the link in the description box to the place that I went to. And just make sure you tell them, like, I sent you. And, yeah, you know, we'll see if we can get these 10 pounds off before next week. If not, then at least 5 to 7 pounds off by next week. So I'll check back in. Let me see. We'll check back in like maybe, because I go on a plane at 5 a.m. on Wednesday. So we'll check back in on Tuesday, and I'll let y'all know how far I got.